And I'm seriously all for prepping. Because prepping, when you prep a little bit and you get that stuff ready to go, when you get to that place where you're on and you have to do it, it just makes it so much easier. Yeah, so prep, what do? I prep all the time in my life. I prep my food, I prep getting my stuff organized and laid out the night before so that I can just get up and go. I don't have to think about it again. Yeah, there's a lot of preparation in things, and it just makes things easier. You think that it's going to take more time, but it doesn't, because it just makes it go faster and easier. I'm all in. Prep time, baby. I'm just going in and prepping it so that it'll be easier and ready to go and faster for when I'm working on attaching. So I weld really good, there's no doubt about it, but at the same time, stuff happens to me too. And so this is one of, I think this is the worst out of all of them from what I'm welding, and I'm just going to show it to you because it is what it is. So see how this just is nasty. I didn't pull it right, so I gotta go and fix that. So if I had to go around and fix all this stuff all the time, it would take forever. So I like getting that weld exactly right first time out of the gate, and so that's why I do the preparation, so I can do that, because it's so much easier, especially when you're working with copper, because it does not like to be welded over twice. Telling you, you get it right the first time and it's done. Okay. So the surface prep is the wire wheel, because the patinas love that scraped surface to grab onto and then begin to chemically corrode. So this is all up for patinaing. So that's why I'm using the wire wheel. This guy looks like a knife. Check this out, man. Look at that. Looks just like a knife. Oh, somebody's coming to say hi to me. Kissing me goodbye. Love you. Have a very, very nice time. Where are you going?
To Blackwall and down over the park.
Blackwall. Have a good one. He's going climbing. I'm going to keep working. So hot. Oh, that feels good. Whew. Did I mention it was hot? It's hot. Okay, so working the grass on the gate, and I need a couple longer pieces, and what do you know? I need two approximately this length, and this is the copper that I have left, and I am going to get exactly two out of that. So how cool is that? Have just enough for what I need. There's always enough. There's always enough, and I'm so grateful for that. How fun. But it's so freaking hot. I'm just about done. So I'm gonna just draw these out and shut down the shop and call it a day. I hope you guys find that you always have enough and that you prepare well, so that things, when the time comes, go easy, 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 and that you're doing something fun, because fun is the pathway of the divine. And don't forget to be creative. Woo! Stargaard Art out. Mwah.
Now it's time to pick your next video. Which one are you gonna pick? Are you gonna pick this one? Possibly that one? Definitely get that one because that one's super good. And this one's pretty fun too. So you know what? You can't go wrong. Just pick any. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell for the notification button. We'll see you on the next round.